Hello everyone, this is my Lab 6.1 submission. The task was to experiment with cloud computing services. After some research, I decided to use Microsoft Azure instead of Amazon Web Services or AWS for several reasons. First, Azure is 5 times less expensive than AWS and cost is something I always take into account. Second, Azure offers stronger and faster platform as a service or PaaS capabilities, which is important. A very important part of a cloud infrastructure. Also, Azure has an integrated environment which provides flexibility and is overall just less complicated than AWS. I created a Windows 11 virtual machine through Microsoft Azure, and the task was to ping www.google.com from both your personal machine and through the VM that we created using the cloud service. So the first one here is the ping that I did from my personal machine. You can see I sent 4 packets of data. All 4 were received, 0 were lost, which is good. But the average time was 35 milliseconds. Okay, so then from there, I logged on to my virtual machine and did the same thing. Pinged www.google.com. 4 packets were sent, 4 were received. However, the time difference was very distinct. It only took 1 millisecond for the virtual machine to receive those packets. So what I came to a conclusion with was that Azure is my virtual machine is in a data center with dedicated high-speed interconnect, and it's pairing to other ISPs and potentially pairing directly to Google or one of their edge caches. And my PC is just further away, which requires more hops and delays between the hops. So that was the difference that I found to be why the numbers were so different.